Introducing iZYREC, the world's slimmest and most powerful, easy-to-use mini voice recorder. Its ultra-slim design gives you peace of mind to record discreetly and seamlessly. Use the iZYREC recorder to record anything, anywhere, privately. 2 high-definition microphones placed on both sides of the device capture 360-degree stereo sound. You can skip silence with voice-activated recording, and you can record crystal clear audio up to 7 meters away. Best of all, its cutting-edge AI technology cancels out noises for ultimate hi-fi sound quality.
I've been working in the tech industry for a couple of years, and I'm very excited to be able to be a part of this team and contribute.
In the most common recording situations, extremely easy to use. It only takes a slide to switch on and start recording, and saves up to 240 hours of recording on an advanced 32GB EMMC chip. The iZYREC recorder is engineered with components of the highest standard, which bring its performance to the next level, and extends its standby time to a whopping 50 days and continuous recording time to 36 hours. iZYREC is easy to record and even easier to listen to your recording with universal compatibility. You can replay recordings on iPhone, Android phones, tablets, and all PCs. A free and user-friendly app is developed to enable remote control and more unique features of the device. The light-off recording mode, privacy protection mode, and many more great features in the app are waiting to be unlocked by you.